Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Need my little cheat sheet here. Okay, let me just go through this real quick. Rhode Island outages at one point were up to over 2,000. Providence had over 650 outages at one point. Now we're down to 1,380. Foster and Scituate have the most power outages at this time. And also Smithfield EMA, there's some reporting debris in the Putnam Pikes. Route 44 remains closed from West Greenville Road to Austin Ave as some tree damage in the Smithfield area was reported tonight. When the storms first moved into Providence County for Foster, Gloucester, and Smithfield, they packed a punch with some very strong winds. The rest of northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County mainly had a light show with some vivid lightning and heavy rainfall. A lot of you said, well, if there was some storms tonight, that means it's got to cool off and we got to lose the humidity, right? And that would make sense, usually, but that's not the case tonight. It's going to be very muggy. Some of you said, oh, I'm going to open up the windows now. I wouldn't do that. It's going to be very, very humid overnight. It's still very muggy. Around 70 degrees are your temperatures, and the dew points have actually gone up after the storms have moved away for locations that had storms. So it's still going to be very humid tomorrow, and it's going to be downright hot. Satellite and radar, let's talk about those storms. Where are they now? One last little cell moving into Plymouth County and towards the south shore of Boston brought some vivid lightning to the Attleboro area just moments ago and some heavy rain. There's still a few stragglers behind, but this is probably the last main player for tonight. Most areas, again, 80% of our viewing area didn't have a drop of rain, but areas in northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County fared well with the rainfall and unfortunately some wind damage as well when the storms raced through. Here's the last little bit of rain. That will move through. Very isolated activity the rest of the night, and overall it's just a quiet night and just some fog developing. Rainfall, you can see what I mean. Here's the rainfall totals. Providence County, you zoom in, you go south, and nothing. But you could see the lightning and you could hear the thunder. It was to the north. And right now, there's still that storm racing to the north and east, but otherwise it's just cloudy. Traffic forecast tomorrow, rain moving out tonight, but with some fog early. Just be careful for that early morning commute. Otherwise, you're okay for the rest of the day. Just going to have to crank the AC because it's going to be a hot one. Temperatures 90 away from the beaches, 80s if you're going to the shore. Not quite as much of a breeze tomorrow as we had today, so therefore not as much relief. That breeze was nice today at times. And then for hot and humid in southeastern Mass, look at this, 90 in Attleboro, 89 in Taunton, 90 Fall River. It's a scorcher, but it's only for one day. Temperatures will drop back for Thursday and Friday. So Futurecast, last of the clouds will clear out by morning. Any last little rain is over with. Lots of sunshine in the morning. We heat things up in the afternoon. And again, we make a run at 90 away from the coast. And it turns out to be just one of those hot, humid summer days. Next chance of rain comes in Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms. They'll continue through the morning hours and then still scattered in nature throughout the afternoon. When you don't have a shower or a downpour, you'll have some sunshine. It'll be a very hit or miss kind of rain event. Hopefully areas that missed the rain tonight will pick up some rain on Thursday because it dries out again for Friday and Saturday. Drop the temperature, lose the humidity before it builds back on Sunday with yet another round of showers and storms for early next week on Monday and on Tuesday. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Turned into a busy sports day Tuesday.